Right then, in this video we're going to be taking a look at the old classic brutalist tower blocks in the centre of Lodz in Poland. So then, when this video is filmed, these tower blocks were currently in the process of having their old lifts replaced. The old classic ZR lifts are being replaced with Schindlers. So let's go into the first tower block, and in this one, sadly we are too late. The old lifts have already been replaced. They've been replaced with some 1.6 metre a second Schindler 3300 plus. Which is a very under-spec lift for a tower block. A chassis-less lift is just not really good enough for this application. $3,300 plus.
Piętro 16.
Let's now take a look at the next tower block. This tower block contains multiple different sets of lifts throughout the building. On the 7th floor of this building is an interchange level where you can walk between the different lifts of the tower block. Now to the first lifts. The first set of lifts in this tower block, one of the lifts was currently in the process of being replaced and the other lift had already finished being replaced. Let's take a look at the old lift, and it is boarded up and the lift is at the bottom of the shaft where they're taking it out, which is a very sad sight.
Oh no, look inside it, it's been ruined. Button's already gone.
And as for the other lift, the lift that's replaced it is another 1.6 metre a second Schindler 3300 plus. And despite this lift being brand new, the wheels have already gone bad.
It's brand new and the wheels already gone.
Przystanek 17.
Literally would hit your head on that, and my head almost touches that, almost. The height of the door to the height of the pipe.
So then we walk along to the next set of lifts in this tower block, and on this set of lifts, one of the two lifts is currently being replaced and the other lift is still original. Yes, let's ride the old classic ZR lift. And if we take a look at a lift that's currently being replaced, this one's actually being replaced with a 2 metre a second Schindler 5500, which is a better spec lift than the Schindler 3300 plus. I don't know why this tower block contains different specs of Schindler lift like this. It seems on these specs they're going for the lowest spec lift they can for the speed, so in the lower right section where I just wanted 1.6 metres a second, they went for the 3300 plus, which I think is a shame in my opinion. So, on this lift being replaced with a Schindler 5500, outside of the lift, there is a Schindler 5500 motor just left here. If this was England, you would not leave an expensive lift motor lying around.
I'll take it home with me.
And now we go to the next set of lifts. On this set, both lifts have been replaced with 2 metre a second Schindler 5500s.
At least this one's 5500, unlike the other one. So.
Piętro 21.
Let's surf it! And let's take a look in the logic cabinet. This lift's got Schindler mechanic logic, although it's got a different screen to normal. It seems to be exactly the same interface, they've just put this new screen on it. So then, now we go to the next set of lifts. Although that said, these two lifts obviously don't run as a set, as there's no way you could have a relay lift running in set with a Schindler mechanic. But anyway, on this set, one of the replacements is complete, and on the other lift, it's still original. So you can get to see both lifts here. Let's ride the original Zremb lift.
These pipes are so low. You can bang your head on it. Loads of pre-door in these. This pipe here, you're going to hit your head on that as you go past. You know, I literally almost hit my head on that.
And let's now go along to the next set of lifts. This one is in exactly the same situation as the last one, with one replacement Schindler 5500 and one original lift. But on this one, the Zremb lift seems to be the same shaped cab, except it's rotated 90 degrees with the doors on the longer side rather than the shorter side.
Got a light for its sensor. It's got a light bulb. As its beam sensor's a light bulb.
And as for the Schindler 5500, on this one, as this is the tallest part of the building, it's actually got a faster 3 metre a second Schindler 5500. Open it up and it's got the dreaded folding fence. This is because the original old relay lift is 1.6 metres a second, so there's not enough overrun height for a 3 metre a second lift. So to get around this, they've put in a folding fence, which makes it very dangerous to surf.
Oh no, I can't do it, it's got a folding fence. Oh fuck it, let's do it anyway. dangerous time. Don't copy this, someone doing it's dangerous. Oh yeah, it's quicker. Woohoo! That is definitely quicker. Don't copy what I've just done. Surfing on a folding fence is dangerous.
Good idea.